Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. This is VW Golf 2011 model. I'm going to show you what happened inside. The customer saying when he press clutch pedal, sometime it's go down and stuck half a way down. At the moment, it's working fine. However, I'm going to engine bay and show you what happened in engine bay. Right. When I check top of the gearbox, you can see all wet, basically brake fluid leaking. I'm going to say this slave cylinder faulty. This is the faulty person, might be leaking around this area. However, I'm going to change this slave cylinder.
What are your thoughts on this situation? Is this replacement sufficient for it? Please share your ideas in the comment section and also pass this along to those for whom it's relevant.
If you still not subscribe my channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get lot of video like this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the battery as it is. I have a little bit space around this area. I'm going to try to do without remove the battery. If it work, I can save a bit time. Otherwise, I need to remove the battery. It's all holding with 13 mil nut. One nut out, and also there is another one. I'm going to use the spanner for that one. Even bit difficult to put the spanner there. There is another spanner. Yes, it sit on nicely. It slipped bit loose. Right, managed to remove the second nut. Bit hustles, but anyway, you can see here this one stuck. I'm going to leave it outside at the moment. You can see around oil leaking. Yeah, what we have to do, we have to remove from the bracket, and the same time you can see in the back this clip need to lift up, right, like this. Then after that you can pull this pipe. Need to disconnect from here. Right, it's out. And after that I'm going to hold here. When you're going to replace new one, make sure you can see here there is a o-ring. Make sure that's ring there, otherwise you ending with the leaking fluid from there. The next one, I'm going to install new slave cylinder. I'm going to compare new one and the old one, identically same. After that I'm going to remove this cap. I need another hand. Right, now going to plug in. Just press in, you can hear the click noise. Right, you can hear click, then it's fine. Then after that I'm going to install to the bracket, and again repeat the process. Right, one tight, and need to go to the second one. That's a bit awkward one. Right, that's done. Proper tool for proper job. Without this spanner I can't get to the back bolt. However, bit tiring job. Bit fresh. Right, next process, I'm going to show you how we're going to bleed the system. First of all, we need to open this plastic cap. this one need to remove. Then after that, inside nipple number 11, just make it little bit loose. After that, make sure this clutch pedal fully up. Leave it up like this. Inside here, DOT for brake fluid. Don't go to use it other brake fluid. This one holding DOT 4. Need to remove, and I'm going to connect my pressure bleeder here, and after that I'm going to pump and need to check this nipple. First air coming out, then after that you can see fluid coming up. I'm going to pressure this one. Right, now I'm pressurize the bottle. Have a look the nipple now. Now I can hear air coming up from there. You can see now all air gone. I'm going to leave it little bit time to until make sure all see still air. If it air there, your clutch system not going to work. Still air coming. See, poop, poop. We need to wait until it settle down. All air come out from there. Right now, I feel all air came out. Then I'm going to tight this one. Just hand tight. Right. Just hand tight. Then I'm going to inside the car and operate clutch pedal. Press 10-15 times, and after that again I'm going to the nipple and bleed one more time. At the moment I feeling clutch pedal okay, it has a good pressure. Right, when I do it like this, all air going to the high point, that means it's go close to the bleeding nipple. Right, again I'm going to the bleeding nipple and going to open. See, now this time no air at all, just clean straight fluid coming from there. That means that job, bleeding job success. Yeah, I'm going to close the nipple. No need to over tight, just do the, it's hand tight enough, but however I'm going to use my ratchet. When you work with the brake fluid, don't going to touch car body because brake fluid not good for your paint. Then I'm going to close the cap. After that I'm going to bring bottle of water. When you spill brake fluid, this is the good answer, just water. Then after that all going to clear. Right, job done. Also we have online store, it's called sanumotors.store. If you have a time, visit our website, buy something like this and help us to develop our channel. Now all process done. Then after that I'm going to tidy up here and I'm going to take to the road test and have a look how is thing going on. Need to release the pressure, remove the cap, install bottle cap. I'm going to close the bonnet and take to the small spring and have a look how is clutch behavior. Press the clutch pedal, start the car, all first fine, reverse gear fine, yes, clutch work as should be. Now I'm going to take it a little bit backward and forward. Right, all as should be, all fine. If you have a like this problem, you know what to do. Please follow this video. End of the day you will be fine. Heavy raining. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channel. You can get a lot of video like this. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.